Hello my people, how una dey now? I bless everywhere is chill for now. Aha. Today we wan solve question wey involve both quadratic and linear. How we go use run this kind of question now? E no hard. Na on how you calm down run am, you go see say e easy. Now, make we check wetin dey for board now. They say find two numbers which differs by 4 and whose product is 45. Una dey see wetin dey write there? They say find two number. Now those two numbers wey dey say make we find, me and you know say we no know. So since you no know, solution. You go say let the numbers be what? X. On how we no know am, make we divide this place. Make for clear for us well. Let the numbers be X and Y. Because now two numbers they talk, no be one, na two. So X and Y now we use as the two numbers since we don't know the numbers. Let the numbers be X and Y. They say now these two numbers they differ by 4. You know, normally, what problem that they get their own English, you get to understand how their English they talk am. Now, when they say they differ by 4, now the difference of these numbers are that they are minus. I get it, but the answers to those that X and Y is going to be 4. Nothing they try to talk there. So it means say X now minus Y equal to 4. Equation 1. Nothing they try to talk there. Two numbers which differ by 4. Two numbers differ by 4. The difference now 4. The difference na minus. The difference na minus, but the answer na which na 4. Nothing they try to talk for that place. They can say, and that same number, their product now which is means say equal to is what? 45. Now when they talk say their product means say multiply. And then till bring multiply, it means say it can become what? X, Y equal to what? 45. And they say about oh now you don't run out this like this now, you don't get the product. You just need to subtract and work on them. And one thing about this word problem will involve quadratic and linear. I tell you one secret about them. Whenever they give, you always start from the linear. It is much easier when they solve with linear. So when you do now, you can say from here, from equation what? Equation what? 1. What is the equation 1? X minus Y equal to 4. Now this equation 1 automatically don't become what? You turn out to equation 3. Instead, I can become what? Collect like 10. You can become X equal to 4 plus what? Y. This one now become equation what? 3. Now from this one now, you can substitute them. Put this one into equation 2. Substitute S equal to 4 plus Y. Substitute them into, put them inside equation what? Equation 2. Because now there, now be the quadratic. Now here you form the equation from. So now here you go send them into. So now anywhere you see X for equation 2, now what you go put with this? That means say 4 plus Y will represent X anyway, see for equation 2. Now, remember now S to talk, see X here now. So now you say we'll get 4 plus Y. You come bracket and Y now waiting. We don't know why yet. So leave it like that. So we open the bracket. This 4 go times this Y, you can give us what? 4Y. 4 times Y will give us what plus what? 4 square equal to 45. Now, of course, you know, say we need to rearrange them. Why do you arrange that? You collect like them at the same time. You know, normally, anything we get square in position on the left hand side. So you go shift and rearrange everything. You can't get Y square. This one can't stay where, which is plus 4Y. This one come inside. It can become what? Minus 45 equal to what? 0. So at this point now, we can't think of two numbers. Now factorize or factorize. We'll think of two numbers. If you multiply, you'll get this. If you add on minus, you will get this. Now you go agree saying that 9 times minus 5. 9 times minus 5 will give us minus 45. Then 9 minus 5 will give us what? 4. So we don't know say the two variables so we'll use to get to factorize and 9 times minus 5. And I remember teaching I say 9 times minus 5 and 9 minus 5. That one we get times, no be you go use. You know, say this one times and I'll give you minus 45. If you minus 5 will give us 20, it will give us normal 4. So this one, you see these two variables, now we use get this and this. So you know we use one with 8 times. I don't get minus or plus, now go use. And this one get minus, now go use. So that automatically this 9 and 5 go represent this 4 wey dey here. So we can say y square. Now this one they use ba plus it don't represent this 4 now. It will become 9y minus 5y minus 45 equal to what? 0. Now from this state now, we'll factorize and proper. Now 2x 90 for this, 2y 90 here. So we'll split them out. We say 1y come inside, 1y go outside. So y cancel y, we have plus what? 9. Now we have minus 5. Now the same, so on how it be like this now, this y will come go inside. So I go balance up with this one here. Y. So minus cancel minus, we will get plus. Now, no say we don't get plus. Now 5 go into this 45. Now 9 will get equal to which is 0. Now come pick out what we get. Now 1 go the inside, 1 go the outside. So you know say they don't be the same. So you go pick one with the outside and one with the inside. The one with the outside can become y plus 9 equal to 0, or waiting y minus 5 equal to 0. So you carry one of these ones come outside. You carry this one and this one come outside. So we work on that. You can say therefore y equal to minus 9, or waiting. You can become y equals to 5. Now see say we don't get the answers for both y alone now. Now we'll come substitute and put into any of the equation. I know say we don't get y. Now y will use get x. Now to get this, we can say substitute now. Substitute y equal to minus 9, that's the first one, or y equal to 5 into equation, we'll use equation 3. Equation 3, or we'll use equation 3. Anyone you like, now your choice. But no use this one, we get quadratic. Either I use this one or use 3. So we'll use equation 3. Now anyway we'll see y now. Anyway we'll see y for equation 3. We'll find out minus 9 or 5. So we'll work them out together. Now let's start with that first one. X equal to 4 plus. Now y they here now. And what we get for here now minus. The first one now minus 9 equal to 80. Now what we get with that. So we just bracket this one. Because the two sides not stay together. You can say x equals to 4 minus times plus give us 80. Minus 9. SDF equals to, if you subtract this one, that you get minus 5. Just like say you the owe 9 naira, you can't pay 4 naira. How much you go left with the owner? That's 5 naira. Now the one we solve now for what? Minus 9. We'll do the one for 5. The same question now. Now see there also. Say x equal to 80. 4 plus 5. S equal to 80. 9. Direct, without stress. If you do your question like this, you don't finish everything. Nothing the way you define again. Nothing the way you define. You don't scatter everything like this. You don't get x, you don't get y. Everywhere don't steal. So now if you observe something, guys, if you observe something here, you will see say for this side here, we get minus 9 as y. When we come here, we get time as 9. When we do here, we get y as 5. When we come here, we can get time as minus 5. So you can therefore see the number, the answer can become, you open and can say minus 9 minus 5. Also, or what? You'll see 9 and 5. So the answer, the two numbers so that they find now, the two numbers now, it will be either minus 9 or minus 5, or 9 and 5. Now say no hard. Just take your time, look calm. If you see anywhere you're confused, rewind the video, play them again, maybe check them. It's no hard. Just apply the same philosophy for you don't get that. If not like it now, see now. What I teach, what I put for this board, right? So now like based on Mr. T level now, well, don't forget to like, share, and do the needful. I beg. Now they keep us they go without to know us. Thank you very much. I remember my humble self, Mr. T. I love you guys. I'll catch you in my next video.